Use custom reports when standard reports do not deliver enough insight to support decision-making. Custom reports enable you to refine and isolate data, apply meaningful filters, and surface information that directly supports operational, training, or performance goals. For this example, we will create a custom report to understand document usage of a particular user group over the last 3 months. Start by navigating to the Website Usage Report. Click Website Usage Report. To create a custom version of this report, click Save As. Enter a report name. Example, Website Usage Report. Usage report last 3 months. Click Next. To drill into which specific user groups are accessing content, we need to add a column. Toggle Open User. Toggle Open Groups. Check Name to add group name as a column. Select the column you wish to move to trigger the Move Column feature. Click User.Groups.Name. Click the up arrow until you achieve the desired order. To add filters to the report, click Next. Previous report settings remain when you save as. You can remove any filters that were attached to the previous report by clicking the X and removing them. For this scenario, we'll keep the above settings and add additional filters for date and user groups. Click Add Filter. To add a filter for the last 3 months, click Content Type and select Timestamp. Next, select Timeframe Data. For this report, select in the last 3 months. Click the checkmark to accept filter settings. We also want to filter on a particular user group. Let's add another filter. Click Add Filter. User groups currently is not an option to filter on. We will need to add this column as an additional filter. Click Choose Columns. Under User Groups, click Name. Click OK. Return to Content Type and select User.Groups.Name. When creating custom reports, you can set defaults for the filters. For example, use Variable if you want to choose the filter each time the report is ran, or Fixed, to have the filter pre-selected. For this example, we only want to return users in particular group. Ensure Filter is set to As Any and Fixed. Select all EHR/EMR users. Click the checkmark to accept filter settings. You have completed setting up a custom report. To preview, click Save and Run. The filter for project was set to variable, meaning each time the report is ran, the user will be able to select which project to report on. For today's report, select EHR/EMR training. Click Run to generate the report. Prior to exporting your report, you can preview data, and if needed, cancel and edit your report properties. When ready, export your report by clicking Export Excel Document. Remember, to use custom reports when standard reports do not deliver enough insight to support decision-making. Custom reports enable you to refine and isolate data, apply meaningful filters, and surface information that directly supports operational, training, or performance goals.